This is the time of the year I'm going to give away one of my boats. I have a total of 7 boats right now, and very often I recycle the old boats to build a new one. But this Gen 23 Plus, the one I'm going to give away, is in pretty good condition. And as you can see, I've been using it in the past few weeks. And it seems to be a waste if I recycle it. I have been using some of the components across different designs, and those are the pieces I want to keep. For example, it's the cross beam made from a PVC pipe, and also the gunnel, just get it from Home Depot and cut the plastic to fit to the gunnel. Those are pieces that most people can make it easily. The hardest part is getting hold of a sheet of plastic and also folding into the shape of a boat. And that piece is given to you for free. Whoever getting these pieces have to sign a waiver so that I won't be responsible if anything does happen to the one using the boat. Also, I prefer someone locally in Portland, Oregon, so that they can come and pick it up. And I also able to address the components they have to build. This is the very first boat I built. Since then, there are about 10 boats already been built, and there have been some design updates. I would suggest you to build a floor so the boat will be more robust and safer. For those who are interested to have this boat, please send an email to pdxboatmaker@gmail.com. It is first come, first served, and you will have to pick up the boat in Portland, Oregon.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.